To see your call history on the Verizon app, first log in with your Verizon credentials. Navigate to the Account or Usage tab, then select Call History or Details. This will display a chronological list of your calls, showing the date, time, duration, number, and type of call. The app also shows data usage, text messages, and roaming details. By default, you can view the last 90 days of call history, with options to request older logs through customer support if needed. Make sure you have the latest version of the Verizon app installed for the best experience and features. The Verizon app offers powerful filters to customize your call history view. Basic filters include date range, call type such as incoming, outgoing, or missed calls, and specific number or contact search. Advanced filters introduced in 2025 allow you to filter by call duration and identify potential spam calls. The app also features AI-powered usage summaries, providing personalized insights such as identifying increased work-related call activity. These AI summaries can help you optimize your plan and prevent fraud by flagging anomalous call patterns. Remember to check your privacy settings, as some features, like location tagging, require opt-in.